In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the chart of accounts in QuickBooks. Now, setting up your chart of accounts is an essential task for any business looking to streamline its financial management. Whether you're just starting or aiming to refine your bookkeeping practices, establishing a well-organized chart of accounts is critical. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, direct your attention to the left panel of your QuickBooks interface, where you'll find a series of navigational tools. Look for the tab labeled Transactions and click on it. This area is pivotal as it holds various financial activities pertinent to your business operations. Once you're here, locate the sub-tab for the Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is essentially the backbone of your accounting system, providing the structured framework you need to categorize your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Once you're inside the Chart of Accounts section, you'll notice a button at the top right corner of your screen labeled Add Account. Click on this to begin creating a new account. This is where you'll start inputting detailed information about each specific account category you plan to use for tracking your financial entries. Now, let's break down the essential fields within this form. Start by entering the account name. This should be a clear and descriptive label that represents the type of transactions or financial elements this account will categorize. Next, you'll need to select the appropriate account type. This is crucial for proper classification, impacting how these accounts culminate into your financial reports. Further, you'll need to specify the detail type. This addition helps to refine the categorization of transactions, ensuring even nuanced financial activities are tracked accurately. Once you've filled out these fields, it's time to add an opening balance. This step is particularly important if you're transitioning from another accounting system or if you're setting up accounts at the start of a new fiscal period. It's essentially the initial figure you start with, forming the baseline for future transactions. After entering all this information, click Save. This confirms your entries and finalizes the creation of your new account. At this point, you're all set with your first addition. Now, if you have a variety of accounts to add, you can easily continue this process, inputting them one by one. However, if you're dealing with a lengthy list, QuickBooks allows for a more efficient setup by importing accounts in bulk. To do this, locate the caret icon beside the New Account button. This handy feature unfolds additional options, including the ability to import. Click Import, and you'll have the option to upload data from an Excel or CSV file. Alternatively, if you're leveraging Google Sheets, you can directly select the sheet you've prepared. This bulk approach is a huge time saver, especially for more complex accounting structures. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating a comprehensive and organized chart of accounts in QuickBooks. Whether you're doing it manually or importing in bulk, this setup is a pivotal part of managing your business finances effectively.